Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. This is not a video lesson about Ukrainian language, grammar or vocabulary. In this video, I would like to address to my British subscribers, or if you have family, relatives or friends in England, please watch this video till the end. I need your help. I need to tell you that I would like to apply for Ukraine sponsorship scheme that is called Home for Ukrainians. You can ask me why. So first of all, I have an opportunity to teach Ukrainian language at Oxford University. I have this kind of opportunity, and currently I'm in the contact with them. So I hope it will come true. Second of all, I can also teach Ukrainian language. I can organize group lessons or course in London. And if you want to attend such kind of course and have live lessons with me, please let me know. And if you can help me to organize it there, it would be wonderful, because I contact some organizations there, but I haven't received a reply from them yet. But I think if local people can help me, then it is possible. And so therefore I have these ideas, and I'm looking for a sponsor. So if you can be my sponsor in London or Oxford, if you live in these cities, or you have there again some people who can accept me, please write on my email. It is very important for me. I need to tell you that I want to go and live abroad for some period of time. I fled from Kherson at the end of March, and it has been occupied since the first days of war. So I lived under occupation 1 month. I lost my home. My grandparents' house is totally destroyed, and I have been living in the Western Ukraine for more than 6 months, I think approximately 7 months, and I have to leave this apartment, and I need to find another place of living, and I don't have my family here. And I need to tell you that yes, I want to go to and live in Britain for approximately a couple of months, maybe 3 or 4 months there, and I want to teach Ukrainian language there, and I have some opportunities and offers. Also, I have to be honest, I don't feel very well. I have some problems with my mental health. I have some nightmares. I have some depressive conditions, and I'm so tired. I need to live in another place because I can't live like this anymore. It is very difficult, believe me. I feel that I can just stay at the same place and keep working only on offline. I want to have some live lessons, and I believe that I can organize and find students in England. And you can ask me, Ina, why did you decide to choose England? I need to tell you that I have been learning English since 12, and my biggest dream was to visit England, of course London, to see the Big Ben, the London Bridge. So I so you can see I speak English well, but I have never been to English-speaking countries, and I dream to live for some period of time there, to be around of native speakers, to communicate English there, and also I want to take English, advanced English lessons at English University, and to take some courses for teachers there that can help me to improve my knowledge. And there are different opportunities there, and all this experience I can then realize in Ukraine when I open my Ukrainian language and cultural center, and I will be able to do that when war is finished, because it will be the best time to start making it when we will have peace, and everybody can visit Ukraine, can visit our heart, Kyiv, and feel safe. So that's my ideas, that's my desire. I hope you will support me, and please let me know if you can host me in London or Oxford, or you have some friends, relatives, or family who can do that, and I will be alone. I don't have any specific needs. I don't have any allergy. I eat everything. I'm a friendly person. I feel okay about the pets. I love pets, and also a big benefit can be that I will cook Ukrainian food for you. I love cooking, and also I can teach you some Ukrainian language. If you host me, I would love to do that. So yeah, so I didn't want to flee from Ukraine since spring. I don't want to leave Ukraine. I want to be there, but me and my husband, we talked, and he supported me and said that that will be a good idea if I use this opportunity and go to England, teach people, learn their English and other subjects, so it will be good for me and for my mental health. So thank you for your attention. Please let me know if you can help me, and hope to meet you in England soon. Thank you so much.